With this method, you can use a different color yarn because you won't be able to see it afterwards. So as you can see, that's the first column of V, and that's the second one. When we insert the needle, we're going to go between those two columns. First, I need to attach the corners together. So find the first row of V's. I will first go from the back in the first row between the first and the second columns. And then on the other piece from the front in the first row between the first and the second columns. Insert my needle. So this is just to tie them together. And then get the other end of the yarn onto the needle. I'm going to start from the left piece. I'm going to go back in the first row between the first and the second columns. So essentially where this yarn is coming out of. So I'm going to go in like this and pick up a bar like that. I'm going to pull through. And then on the other side, do the same. Row 1, first and second columns. Insert my needle. From here, it's super easy. You're just going to go back into where your yarn is coming out of and pick up a bar. And you're going to do that left, right, like this. So I'm going to go back in here, pick up a bar. And then do the same thing on the other side. Then you're just going to repeat that. And this is the bit that's so satisfying. After some stitches, you're just going to pull your yarn. And as you can see, the pink yarn completely disappeared to the back of the work. At the end of the column, I would just go in the second column, top 2 loops. And the second column on this side as well, top 2 loops. And then I turn to the back, fasten it up on the wrong side. So this is what it looks like. If you use the same color yarn, you can even do more here, make it more seamless on the top.